Good morning, Pirates. This is PNN, the Pirates News Network, your weekly source for everything San Pedro High School. I'm Robert Leyva.
And I'm Ricky Medina, and here's your latest news.
Are you interested in making decisions like football game themes, homecoming, and prom? Want to take on a leadership role? Join ASB Leadership. Applications are available on Schoology.
Seniors, the Lady Booster Scholarship is now available. Look for signs posted around campus and a post in Schoology. Applications are due May 9th, and if you're attending a four-year college in the fall, you need to upload your college significance to ensure your transcripts are sent there.
This year's school musical is Hadestown, a stunning reimagining of the Greek myth of Orpheus and Eurydice, brought to life with a powerful blend of folk, jazz, and blues, featuring unforgettable music and a story of love, sacrifice, and resilience. This show is unlike anything you've seen before. Don't miss your chance to experience Hadestown May 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. The link to buy tickets is in Schoology.
Seniors who will be attending Harbor College in the fall will have the opportunity to go on the field trip on May 19th to register for classes and complete all necessary tasks for next year. The first 40 people to sign up can attend. Check Schoology Class of 2025 to scan the QR code or see your counselor to sign up.
LAUSD College Signing Day is on May 10th at the Coliseum. This event offers a chance to win prizes and features super fun activities. There will be a bus if transportation is needed. Please come to this very exciting, huge party to celebrate your achievements. Sign up on Schoology for the class of 2025 or see your counselor.
The Boys and Girls Club Keystone Program and the Tobacco Use Prevention Program would like to remind you that one person dies every 4.5 seconds from a tobacco-related disease. Smoking also can lead to receding gums. Yuck. So if you're looking to quit, chewing gum is a healthier alternative.
Ready to show your spirit, skill, and school pride? Bannerette Tryouts are just around the corner, and they are looking for students who are ready to step up and stand out. Here's everything you need to know, and if you're ready to join the team.
Hi, I'm Sky. I'm a second-year member. And I'm a first-year member. And we're captains for this upcoming year. We are Prop Military Dance Pep Squad, and we perform at football games along with competitions.
If you're planning on coming to our tryouts, here's what to bring.
A water bottle,
Hair up,
comfy clothes,
and a positive attitude.
Earlier this month, families, students, and staff came together for our flagship open house. It was a great night full of energy, exploration, and pride, as we showed off everything that makes our campus so special. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from Flagship, and next week we will highlight Olguin.
And my name is Kira. And we're your captains of the San Pedro High School cheer team. We're here at Open House. We just did a cute little performance for you guys. And we're here at our little table and our little cheer table. We have our interest form out for tryouts.
Is in our bio, and here's also drills because we are a sister team. We do work with drills sometimes too, but we are recruiting girls and boys. We would like for all to join, and we're having our tryouts come out very soon. Freshman tryouts aren't until midsummer though.
So stay tuned for more updates.
So what are you guys doing here?
We are barbecuing for our open house.
Engines were roaring and tires were screeching as our students hit the Long Beach Grand Prix. They got a front row seat to the action, checking out the high-speed world of professional drifting up close. Jaden Lewis brings us all the action.
And I'm here with Carter Shanahan. Nice to meet you. My name is Jaden. Carter. What are your experiences in drifting?
I've been competing at a top level for 8 years now, quite long time. This is my second year being in America and Formula Drift, so it's quite nice to be here. Quite nice to have a good opportunity of coming back this time with my brand new Toyota GT86 Red Bull racing car. So it's Carawan's definitely capable of winning a championship, and that's the goal for me, is to push and be as successful as we can.
How did you start?
How did I start? I volunteered, so I'm actually Canadian, and I'd fly in on my holiday time, and I would just volunteer at different teams and see who needed help. These guys have spotted me since 2013, and as a hard worker, so they hired me on how to wait after COVID, basically. So yeah.
And that's a wrap for this week's show. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at SanPedro_PNN, and we are going to end this week's broadcast with the amazing home run by girls softball player Jenna Ortega.
2 balls and 2 strikes to Ortega. Nobody out in the top of the 7th with a runner on. Here's the pitch. High drive, left field, goal! Jenna Ortega rounds the bases with her first career high school home run, and it came at the most pivotal of times when San Pedro needed it the most. It is San Pedro 5, Peninsula 3 in the top of the 7th inning. What a shot!